How to fix get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The built-in troubleshooter can automatically detect and fix many update-related issues. Sometimes, paused or deferred updates can cause your system to remain on an outdated version. Reviewing your update preferences ensures the system can search for and install updates. If that didn't work, fix 3. Reset Windows Update Components. Corrupted components can block updates. Resetting them clears issues and lets the system restart the update process. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. If that didn't work, fix 4. Perform an in-place upgrade. An in-place upgrade reinstalls Windows without removing files, resolving deeper system issues.